In this video, I will show you how to join the Souls RNG Discord server. You can do this on your phone, PC or any device that has the Discord app installed. Once Discord is open, click or tap the plus icon on the left sidebar to add a server. Click on Join a server. In the invite link field, type Souls RNG. Once entered, click Join Server and wait for it to load. Once inside the Souls RNG server, you may be asked to select your roles. If you don't want to choose a role, simply click Skip and Finish. And that's it. You are now a member of Souls RNG Discord server. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.